Hi guys, Bethany here. Today I have an unboxing from Bellaartdenicole. I have 3 orders sitting in my mail area. Today I'm going to show you 2 of them, and then I will show you the 3rd soon after this. Alright, so let's get into it. I have 2 orders here. Look at all these little things. This right here is the first order. This is their card. Bellaartdenicole, Jamie and Nicole. And it has their website, which is www.bellaartdenicole.com, and their email, sales@bellaartdenicole.com. It says turn over with a cute little arrow, and it has a QR code on the back. In this order, I also received a butterfly sticker. This is a beautiful one. Beautiful, beautiful. Back a few months ago when they had their Butterflies with Diamonds event, they were giving out butterfly stickers in all of their orders, and at one point they had said that they were not going to be doing that after the event, but I've noticed in my past few orders I'm still getting butterfly stickers, so I think that people loved it so much that they decided to keep doing it. Awesome touch. Good job, guys. Alright, so in this order, basically I have a bunch of different multi-placers along with one cover minder. So this is my bag of colorful multi-placers. Look at all those. If you are looking for a fun multi-placer, I do recommend these multi-placers. Now be aware that they are 3D printed, so they're, in my opinion, a little more on the delicate side. I've had a couple break, and sometimes, like one of them was just when I was pulling it out of the pin, and I wasn't pulling it very hard, but for some reason the way that I did it, it snapped. And the other one, I had dropped my pin, so that was totally my fault. But you know, just be aware that they can break, so you want to be a little bit gentle with them. So this is a red multi-placer. It is a 3-placer. If I can get my camera to focus. I don't know if it's going to focus for me, guys. So it says 3 on it. Well, that's it. I just have to hold it closer. Who knew? Okay, so it says it has a 3 on it. This is a straight and skinny one. I apologize for the focusing issues. Okay, there we go. This is a straight and skinny one. It is a 3-placer. Next, I have a purple 2-placer, which is a straight and skinny. It has a 2 on it. 2-placer, 3-placer. I love the colors. If you have special pins, you can pick colors that match it. Awesome. Alright, next we have a green curved 9-placer. I thought I would get a variety to show you guys. So it's, as you can see, it says 9 on it. And the area here for the wax where you pick up the diamonds is a little bit thicker than on the other 2, which were straight and skinny. Next, and that's in green. Next we have Princess Peach. This is also a 9. It is a straight and skinny. Very pretty. And then we have, this one is a 6 straight and skinny. It is in apple green. I'm not sure if there is a difference between these two or not. If there is, it is very slight. All right. We have 2 more. This is a 3-placer, straight and skinny, just like the red one, but this is in lemon drop yellow color, which is another very pretty color. And lastly, we have another 2 straight and skinny, and this is in blue. Very pretty. Okay, so for those of you who may not know, what do I do with a multi-placer? How do I use it? How do I put it on? I'm going to show you. So here is just a regular, simple, pink diamond painting pin. This is the kind that you'll get in a lot of kits. Often they're different colors. A lot of times they come with a grip. So you take one, any one. And this spot right here, you put it into the pin. Simple. And then you diamond paint with the single placer, flip it over, diamond paint with your multi-placer. Easy. Want to switch your multi-placers? Take it out, put another one in. That's simple, guys. All right. Set that aside and I will show you the cover minder that came in this order. This was too cute to pass up. This is called Ruby Red Shoes and Yellow Road. There is a magnet built inside and a magnet on the outside. You put that over your cover of your canvas to hold it down. Put this magnet on the back of your canvas and it'll stick. Of course, there are a lot of other things you could use it for. So cute. I love red shoes. I love that they did a ruby red slipper with a yellow brick road. Yellow road, sorry. But you get it. You get it. Very cute. All right. Let's take a look at my next order. So basically in this order is a bunch more cover minders and one other special thing. Let's take a look at this special thing first. This is a flexible Monarch butterfly. It is a fidget toy of sorts. Now, I've already bought one of these and unboxed it. This is in a rainbow color, which means the color will be random. My daughter absolutely loved it, the other one that I got. So I wanted to get another one so that she could have her own. And depending on the color, I will give her one or the other. Got another card. Another butterfly sticker. That's really pretty. Love it. And the butterfly fidget. This one is a green and a blue one. This is really pretty. The last one I had was like it was a pink, which faded to like a purple silver color. I think she will probably like that one the best. So I will probably keep this one for myself and she can have the other one. Isn't that cool? I love it. This one feels bigger than the last one I got, but I can't imagine it would be. It's just been a while since I've touched it, I suppose. So cool. I love it. I love these. I'm glad that they decided to make those because those are really cool. All right. So these are a bunch of cover minders, and I don't know what's in what, so let's just open one. They came out with a line of cover minders that were basically a bunch of animals. They were so cute. I had to get them. I thought they would be great for board games, which I am really into, but also, you know, they serve as cover minders. This one is Green Turtle. How cute is that? Super cute. Now, for those of you who don't know how a cover minder works, you will have, okay, say this is your canvas. Say this is your diamond painting that you're working on, and say this is the cover that goes over the top, and say you're trying to diamond paint and this just keeps flopping over, right? Some people cut it off, but say you don't want to cut it off. You would flip it over like this, out of the way. Try to. Take the magnet off. Set the top of the cover minder on the painting like that. Take the magnet and put it under the canvas. And as you can see, it keeps the cover out of your way, and you can just keep diamond painting. And then you have a cute little, in this case, turtle to look at. That is so cute. Okay. Calm down. Open the next one. Okay. This one is Brown Squirrel. How cute is that? That is very cute. Built-in magnet. And then the magnet on the bottom. And they'll tend to stick to each other. Okay. All right. This one is Purple Octopus Waving. So cute. That is so cute. Built-in magnet. Magnet on the outside. Very cute. All right. This guy's poking out. This one is Manatee sitting on tail. Built-in magnet. Magnet on the outside. This guy has kind of a, what do I need to do to help that focus better? Oh, there, it's my hands that was throwing it off. Okay, this guy has kind of a glittery silver to him. Super cute. Oh goodness, you guys. And of course, that's not a big deal, but I'm trying to show you guys some stuff here. All right. Oh, we have the other manatee. This is Manatee lying on back. Another cute one. Now, I will say, with 3D printing, you will have some inconsistencies. Like sometimes you'll have marks or lines or dents. Now, as long as it doesn't affect functionality, it's okay. This, for example, is not going to affect its functionality. These ridges and stuff here are not going to affect the functionality. But I will say that with a cover minder, part of the point is to have something that looks good to look at while you're using it. Otherwise, just use magnets, So I'm a little disappointed by that, to be honest. But that's still super cute. And just like the other manatee, this guy is silvery gray with those little glittery specks. All right, 3 more left. Let's open this one. This is Green Frog. I like that guy. He's really cute. Once again, built-in magnet. I don't think I did that with this one. I just like doing it. It's so fun. All right. I think the turtle's my favorite because I like how the 3D printing on the top of this, how it kind of made it look like there's a little circle on the top. And that's just really cute. So I think that's my favorite so far. All right, and we have White Dog, which is a white dog. This one actually printed out really well. Built-in magnet on the bottom. All right, last one. This is going to be Orange Cat. Cute. He has a black paw. I don't know where that black came from, but there it is. Built-in magnet on the bottom. And that's it. That's all I got to show you guys today. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.